Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to organize your Viber chats into folders for better management. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Viber app and look at the very top of your chat screen. You'll notice a plus icon positioned above all your conversations. This is your starting point for creating organized folders that will help you keep your messages neat and easily accessible. Go ahead and tap on that plus icon. This action will open up the folder creation interface, allowing you to set up a new category for grouping your chats together. This feature is particularly useful if you handle multiple conversations and want to separate them by purpose, such as work chats, family groups, or friend circles. Now you'll be prompted to create your folder. In the input field that appears, type in a name for your new folder. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for the chats you'll be organizing, like work, family, or friends. Once you've entered your desired folder name, tap the right arrow to proceed to the next step. At this point, Viber will display a list of all your available chats and conversations. Browse through this list and select the chat or conversation you want to add to your newly created folder. You can choose individual chats, group conversations, or any combination that fits your organizational needs. Simply tap on the ones you want to include. After you've selected your desired chats, tap the check icon to confirm your selections. This will add all the chosen conversations to your folder and finalize the grouping process. Now here's an important final step to make sure everything is properly organized. Look at the top of your screen and make sure you tap on the folder name itself. This ensures that the folder is properly activated and your chats are correctly organized within it. You should now see all your selected conversations neatly grouped under this folder for easy access. And that's it. You've successfully organized your Viber chats into folders, making it much easier to manage your conversations and find specific chats whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.